Alright, this is going to be the elevator at 402 West Pender in downtown Vancouver. Looks like we got some old Otis here. Otis Black Button. Alright, I'm going to call one down. Blue LED for the call station going down. Wow. Looks very nice. Alright, let's go to basement. Nice classic leveling. 8. Old Otis. Probably from the 50s. Likely replace some manually controlled elevators. Or an 8. Whoa. That was epic leveling. Let's go to B. Let's get a view of these buttons. They're Otis Black Button Bakelite fixtures, I believe. Original from the 1950s. This isn't original to the building, good though. Cabs are pretty small. Very nice, and you can see me in the mirror. Hello. Alright, let's go back up to 8. Got Christmas light arrows there. Kind of hear the relays. All right, B. These aren't super fast, but not super slow either. And basement. A classic leveling. Yeah. Do have some epic classic leveling, in fact. Let's go back up to 8. On 8. Epic leveling. Going down?
Going down. What are we shooting?
Just taking a video of the elevators.
Okay, okay, slow down. I don't want to be in your video, so you go ahead because it's all mirrors.
Oh. Okay. Otis Globe logo there. Like these buttons, they're in pretty good shape. On 2. Aww, look at him.
See you later. Or you can come in if you want. I guess maybe.
I'm just enjoying the elevators, they're vintage.
Oh, cool.
Aw, look at him, he's so cute. We'll get out here. Let's watch it shut. There it goes. That's gonna be it.